Hi, ladies and gentlemen. It's another important week in the financial markets. Today, we're going to look more into FX market because we have so many interesting setups and opportunities, and we're going to have setups in stock markets and also a few setups in commodities. Without any further ado, I just want to highlight this video purposes for education. Is not intended to provide any sort of signals. So any trade you're going to take is based upon your own risk. So let's crack on and see what the market has in store for us. Now, the first analysis we're always looking at is the US dollar currency index. As you can see from the chart, that is our weekly time frame. Now, it's really important to have a larger time frame to analyze the market because it gives us the bigger picture. It gives us what we could expect in terms of long-term market movements, and it helps us to remove those sorts of blind spots while you analyze the market. So sometimes you can look at 4 hours time frame and you may see an opportunity as a buy opportunity, but in the larger time frame, it's a sell bias to it. So you're putting yourself in an even dangerous position. So all the time you have to make sure you analyze the market. You put yourself on the best side, meaning that you put yourself on the side where there's a lot of traders. It can be either bullish side or the bearish side by looking at the longer time frame. Also, long time frames, they're really important because that's what institutional traders are looking at. It's easy to analyze and see the price if it's discount or it's at premium by looking at the longer time frame, unless when you look at the 1 hour or 15 minutes time frame. Alright guys, let's crack on with our first analysis. We still have the same bias to the dollar. We are still bearish on the dollar. As you can see on the chart here, the dollar has been trading south and just broke through that strong uptrend support line. Now we're trading below that at 93.37. We still have a bias to sell it to the downside. So we're looking at any sort of pullback at a further sell off to 88.84. Otherwise, if you're a risk taker, I see an opportunity of a pullback on this mid-range pullback and the reset there and a further sell off to the downside. But main target here is 88.48. So here is our main take profit target. Now, it's not technically not a take profit target, but it's just a target where we see the market will reach its final bearish momentum. So we're going to start our first trade. That currency pair is Euro-Japanesien, and Euro-Japanesien has a very interesting uptrend formational pattern. You could clearly see there's been multiple kissing points on this uptrend, and the price right now is trading at that kissing point. Now here's a very interesting position because the price has reached this very, very strong resistance area. There's a probability of the price to go downward, but with the current uptrend we're seeing in the market, we have a very strong stock market, we have a very weak dollar. The Japanese yen as a safe haven doesn't carry much of upside potential. So we clearly see an upside for Euro-Japanese, meaning we see we'll hopefully see more of bullishness on this trade. And looking at the weekly time frame, I do strongly believe that the price might break out there and the price will start creating new highs and new higher highs and new higher lows, and that is very important. So it's the kind of trade just you have to wait and see before just trying to jump on it straight up at the moment. Our third trade we're looking today is USD Canadian Dollar. I sang this song so many times. Sell USD card, sell USD card. The dollar is super weak, super bearish. Oil is gaining upside momentum. This is a perfect equilibrium trade, and that combination is what we're looking for as traders. It gives us a very strong conviction just because of its confluence on the fundamental level, also on the technical level. Here we're looking at the technical levels of the chart, and you can clearly see the market has been trending downside and is respecting very well the resistance line time after time. You can see we've been kissing those angles there. Now we expect the price to come back to that line there and further sell off to this take profit area of 1.30094. And that present us another trade for the coming week. I think this will be a trade that is for sure. We'll be looking very, very keenly next week. Probably on Wednesday, we should see a materialization of this trade. Otherwise, Euro-Japanese yen doesn't provide us with a very strong, convincing trade. Like this on Usd Canadian Dollar. So this is number one trade for next week. And I'm going to put it in my playbook and I'm going to follow it up very, very closely. USD, this is sterling versus US dollar, and the price has reached a pinnacle point. When I say pinnacle point, is this point where price has resisted before and shorted. And at this time around, I'm very, very positive on the upside potential, the bullishness on this trade. I'm keen on seeing a very strong upside momentum, a breakout to the upside, a breakout on that resistance line, and a major pullback that could provide us a very interesting entry point with the right risk management. And yeah, so our entry point for this trade would be a buy limit of 1.33647, and our take profit will be at 1.47129. So allow me to push this a risk reward adjustment, and I would love to see this happen in the next coming week. A breakout here, a pullback. This would be an ideal trade for us. Otherwise, you can trade here on that pullback here, but I think that carries a bit of risk, I would say so. And probably the price will break through this uptrend line and a reversal might start happening and they sell off to the downside. And a breakout strategy will be an ideal strategy for us going forward for the coming week. Now, the best signal, the best trade of the week was Nzdusd US dollar. Guys, I'm super ecstatic with this trade. This was a trade that many of us in our group were looking for. That major pullback, retest, and a further upside. That was what we were looking for. You can clearly see a very sweet, proper position sizing trade, proper risk reward trade. And now we're holding that trade and we're waiting for it to reach the target profit of 0.6914. I can't analyze this trade any longer for the fact that it's a very simple, straightforward trade with the right risk reward setup. And guys, these are kind of opportunities, guys, you always have to pay attention for in the market, because they happen once in a while, and having that clean and cut in that trade, you just want to be so confident. All you need is that confidence, that this is the right thing, this is the right setup, this is the right trade. And it was. We're still holding that upside, and we're looking at target area profit around those areas of 0.6914, and still that's our trade. Running into index. Now we're going to analyze index, and our first index is S&P 500, the index of choice. Just simply for liquidity purpose. See trading on a bullish uptrend. In this trade, we're keen on buying it. I've been analyzing this for some time now. You can see if I go to the lower time frame, this will be an ideal setup to look for. You can see, guys, you can see we've been kissing the air, this support line time after time again. This time around, I was keen on waiting for that breakout here on that main resistance line, and that breakout happened there. And we just want to see that pullback here and a further upside continuation is something we're looking forward to. So it's a trade that I'm keen on waiting for. And for the purpose of risk reward, it's a long position for sure. So that would be my position sizing for this trade. Looking to enter at 33979.6 with a stop loss of 33.38 and a take profit of 35.71. So that'll give us substantial amount of pips. And you all may know that index is an instrument to trade, simply because you're trading points and not trading pips. 1 point is roughly 100 pips, I guess. That could be a substantial amount to your trading account. So yeah, it's a no-brainer, guys. Go for it, and wish you good luck. It's a commodity trade, and that is gold. This is a daily time frame, and you can see we having a very interesting kissing point uptrend, and the setup is very interesting one, and clearly now the price just bounced that support line there and shows a little bit of resistance time after time. And for me, this are kind of trade that gives you a very positive vibe, I would say, because with the current fundamentals, gold should keep on going higher. Goldman Sachs, they say the price of gold should go up to 3,000. I believe those guys, they're the master of the universe by far. And all you have to do, just look for the right setups on your technical analysis. And here today we have the right setup for gold. I do believe that gold will, break through that that the gold will break through that resistance line, a major pullback, and a continuation to the upside. That would be an ideal trade for us for gold. And so my setup will look like this: risk reward of 2.32, entry price of 1955 with a take profit of 2080, with a stop loss of 1901. I hope I said that correctly. Let me repeat: stop loss of 1901, entry price of 1955, and take profit of 2080. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed that video. I want it to be very short, very straightforward, and I hope it helped you to analyze and prepare yourself for the next week. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe to the channel, comment, and follow us in all social media sites. So thank you so much, and have a good day.